Bitcoin is surging, with its value going up to 60,000 US dollars. Now, if you're new to Bitcoin, Bitcoin is like digital cash. It's money that exists only in the digital realm and can be used to buy goods and services online. If you want to hop on the train but don't know where to start, don't worry, because I've got you covered. There's a way to get involved, even if you're short on funds, all through Bitcoin mining apps. You can earn free Bitcoin right from your phone or computer, all while going about your day. In this video, I'll show you various methods suitable for beginners, including one method that's currently rewarding users with over $100 per month in free Bitcoin and other rewards. Whether you're using an Android, an iPhone, or your trusty computer, one of these methods will surely catch your eye. Here's a rundown of the methods I've got for you in this video. 1. Earn small amounts of Bitcoin every hour by doing daily online activities. 2. Mine resources in the background using this trusty browser extension. 3. Rent your unused internet bandwidth. 4. Start passively mining crypto on your phone. 5. Earn Bitcoin through this Get Paid To website. 6. Generate passive income just by traveling and going to places. Now let's get started. Starting off with our first method to earn some free Bitcoin in your downtime is by using a site called Cointiply. It's one of those Get Paid To websites, but with a crypto twist. They've got this thing called a Bitcoin faucet, where you can earn tiny amounts of Bitcoin every hour. You spin a random number generator, and depending on what number you land on, you get a super tiny bit of Bitcoin. We're talking fractions of fractions here, because Bitcoin can be broken down into these tiny units called Satoshis. But hey, it's fun and kinda luck-based. If you're feeling lucky, you might score a decent chunk of Satoshis. But that's not all Cointiply offers. They've got loads of other ways to earn, like answering surveys, playing games, shopping online, watching videos, and even clicking on ads. Plus, they offer some pretty cool crypto rewards. You can cash out your Cointiply coins for Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Dash, or Litecoin, and you only need $3 to cash out. Cointiply is one of the better paying options out there for getting free Bitcoin in your spare time, especially if you're into the more active stuff like gaming or surveys. On to our next method is by using this browser extension called CryptoTab. You can use this on both your computer and your phone. With over 35 million users, it's got a solid user base. Once you download the extension, it quietly goes about its business in the background, mining Bitcoin from your devices. What's neat is you can tweak how much effort it puts into mining. So if you feel like it's hogging your computer's resources, you can dial it down a notch and amp it back up when you're not using your device, like when you're catching some sleep. You only need a tiny fraction of Bitcoin to cash out, about 50 cents worth. Plus, you can deposit your earnings into the NC wallet it partners with and earn a sweet 6% annual percentage yield in interest, paid out daily. It's a pretty slick setup. Mine a bit of Bitcoin, stash it in a wallet, and watch that passive income roll in. Hey, quick heads up! Not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free, and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. The third way to score some free Bitcoin is by using pawns.app. This one's pretty slick because it offers a mix of passive and active earning opportunities. You can share your internet bandwidth with Pawns as a node in its VPN network. It's kinda like this other app called Honeygain, and you can check out my other video talking about it in the description below. Basically, you're renting out your unused internet bandwidth to Pawns customers. Members are reporting earnings ranging from $5 to $140 a month with this feature. That could mean $100 or more of Bitcoin in your pocket every month, just for letting Pawns use your internet. Now, if you're into a more hands-on approach, you can also answer surveys using the Pawns mobile app to earn some extra cash. You only need $5 to cash out, which is pretty sweet. You can cash out with PayPal or loads of free gift cards. But if you're all about crypto, Pawns also supports Bitcoin payments in lots of countries. It's available worldwide, so pretty much anyone can get in on the action. You're basically trading your internet bandwidth or answering surveys for some free Bitcoin. Not a bad deal. Moving on to the fourth Bitcoin mining app, we've got the Pi Network. This app's pretty popular in the crypto space. Pi Network lets you mine its own native cryptocurrency called Pi, right from your phone. It works on both Android and iOS, and the company claims it won't suck your batteries dry since it's specifically designed for phone mining. With over 60 million downloads on Google Play Store and App Store combined, it's definitely one of the big players in the crypto earning game. You sign up with a Pi invite code, which you can find all over the internet, so it's not as exclusive as it sounds. Once you've got the app, you just let your device do its thing in the background. No active mining required. As for the value of Pi, at the time of making this video, one Pi token is worth around $34. The downside is that most exchanges don't accept Pi tokens yet, so you can't just mine some Pi, sell it on Coinbase, and cash out with free Bitcoin. But some exchanges like BitSmart are starting to get on board, so you might be able to trade your Pi for Bitcoin or another crypto there. Or maybe even an IOU that you can swap for Bitcoin later on. Some people are also doing peer-to-peer transfers with Pi, and there's a bustling Reddit community where people are chatting about their strategies for cashing out their Pi tokens. So if you're curious, it's definitely worth giving Pi Network a shot. The fifth way to snag some free Bitcoin is with free cash. This isn't quite a mining option since it's tough to find legit mining apps these days for Android, iOS, or your web browser. But free cash is a pretty neat alternative for getting some free Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. It's a global get-to-paid or GPT site where you can sign up for free and earn money in all sorts of ways, whether you're into surveys, gaming, browsing, online shopping, referring friends, and watching videos. It's a versatile and user-friendly GPT site, with some high-paying tasks that can earn you anywhere from $10 to $50 or more. There are also passive income options like watching videos or referring friends. It only takes 50 cents to cash out with some of its crypto rewards, and you've got options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. You can also cash out with PayPal or free gift cards starting at $5. If you're down with the idea of aiming for financial freedom through passive income, just hit me with a yes and drop a comment mentioning what country you're from. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from, and trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. Last but not least, we've got the Coin app. So this isn't actually for Bitcoin, but you can eventually convert your earnings into Bitcoin. I've checked out this app before, so let me break it down for you. The Coin app is all about passive income. It rewards you for exploring your area, answering surveys, and sharing your data. You can cash in your earnings for popular cryptos like Bitcoin or even get some physical merchandise. It's kind of like Sweatcoin, if you're familiar with that app, where you can earn rewards for sharing your fitness data. With the Coin app, you earn small amounts of its native token just by exploring your city and doing what's called geomining. And the best part? It all happens passively in the background as you go about your day. There are also more active earning opportunities, like walking into physical stores, visiting certain places in your city, or completing surveys through the app. The cool thing is you can convert your coin tokens into popular cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But you need a boatload of coin tokens to cash out with Bitcoin or Ethereum. So while it's a passive earner, it's definitely a slow one. In fact, you'd need millions of coin tokens just to get one Ethereum. Users who travel a lot or are super active have reported earning decent amounts with coin, and there are payment proofs online. But for me, working from home and not doing much traveling, I didn't earn all that much. Like other mining apps, your mileage may vary. It could be a solid earner if you're always on the go and willing to do some of the more active offers. But if you're more of a homebody like me, it might be a slower grind. Before I finish up this video, remember to always do your own research and be quick to pull your money out or diversify across different platforms and wallets to avoid getting burned. There are plenty of options out there besides mining apps, like staking crypto on platforms like Nexo. The crypto space can be wild. But hey, it's pretty cool that you can now mine Bitcoin with your phone or browser. If you're interested in more passive income methods, check out my playlist using the link in the description for a bunch of ways you can start earning even in your sleep. Thanks for joining us on Fortune Innovators, where we make making money online an everyday reality. Make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, happy earning!